Hello creative people, Namaste, welcome to Ankinish Creations. Today we are making this beautiful peacock decor. You can use it as a candle holder, key holder, jewelry holder, etc. or just place it as it is as a beautiful home decor. So let's get started. First we will make a peacock drawing on a piece of paper. Now let's prepare the clay base. I am using this air dry terracotta clay. First, condition the clay by pressing the clay with your hands and then roll it using rolling pin as thick as you want your decor. Place an OHP sheet below so that the clay don't stick on the surface. Now place the clay on the drawing to see whether it fits on it. And then place the drawing on clay and trace the drawing by going on the design of paper like I am doing here. Redo on the lines wherever needed. Now cut through the border using a clay cutting blade. With some water on finger, smooth out the edges and even out the design wherever needed. Once you are happy with your design on clay, now place it in the bowl with some clean fill below to avoid the clay sticking on the bowl while drying. Now let this dry completely. This might take few days to dry depending on the weather condition at your place. For me, it took around 5 to 6 days to dry completely. Once it has dried completely, remove it from the bowl and now it's time to paint. But first, let's give it a white base using white acrylic paint, and once this paint has dried, start painting using lovely Fevicryl pearl colors. I'm trying to paint like original colors of peacock. You can paint it the way you like. Painting the outer white area with green acrylic paint and let it dry. Here I am adding more pearl colors to the areas of peacock remaining to paint. As the green paint has dried now, I applied crackle medium on it and let that dry. And then I applied gold acrylic paint on top so that the crack appears, showing the green color below in the cracks. As you can see, the cracks did appear, but not as I was expecting. Maybe I did not let the medium dry enough. If you want, you can try this or just paint this part with one color of your choice. Now I'm adding a black pearl border to my design, and then when it dries, I will add a layer of gloss Mod Podge to seal the colors and make it last longer. Let the Mod Podge dry completely and our beautiful peacock decor is ready. I hope you liked this DIY. If you did, please hit that like button to support this channel. It really matters a lot. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe as I come up with new art and craft videos every week. I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative. Please subscribe.